amazing Pasir. Look at this view. Hi, I'm Sheryl from OrangeTee AAG division. Today I'll be showing you a charming, beautiful unit right here at 149 Pasir Street 13 in District 18. Pasir is known for recreation and leisure, and this 1130 square feet 4-room flat exudes all of that vibe, almost like a cozy holiday home. This unit has some useful additions with tons of facilities and amenities nearby. Let's look at the floor plan before we step in. It is originally a 3-bed, 2-bath featuring a massive living room, 2 sizable bedrooms and a large master bedroom. The walls of one connecting bedroom have been hacked away to create a ginormous cozy master bedroom. The service balcony is at a good spot beside the kitchen, and the original storeroom has been shifted to a hidden side entry. The new layout is more efficient and creates great privacy for the master bedroom. Come right into our modern rustic home where function meets cozy comfort. As we enter, you are greeted by this super spacious living room in a longish layout, 9.8 meters. Here we see the first of the additions. This living room feature wall with niche that adds a rustic touch to the space. The wall niche are so visually interesting for your favorite decor pieces, photos, picture frames, and it just has timeless appeal. An oversized couch here is a perfect spot for lounging, having your morning coffee, and facing this unblocked view. Coming to the left is a dining space that can sit 4 to 6 comfortably depending on your table setup. Or you can convert this to a study room and have the dining table set in the front living. Endless possibilities with this great layout. Now we move on to one of my favorite spots of the house, the entertainment room. It's part of the massive living room, and the owners have done it up in an elevated platform in solid timber parquet flooring. The cove lighting accentuates the coziness and warmth, and is perfect as a TV or gaming area for family relaxation. It fits a 3-seater sofa here, and you can enjoy the breeze from the windows as well. At the front is a built-in bar counter with some high stools here, perfect for wine time or as a breakfast bar. A nice spot for your guests and home parties. These large windows allow for plenty of natural light to flood the room, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The beautiful coffered ceiling with crown molding and recessed lighting adds a classic modern feel to the overall living space. Now, the kitchen is a half-open concept, so it looks and feels larger. It is basic and functional. The sink area faces the panel windows that look into the service balcony. The service balcony yard is a good size with full height windows, so it's really airy. You can close off the door to keep the clothes here protected from smoke and cooking smells. The common room is sizable, with no odd shape to interfere with furniture placement. It can easily fit a queen-size bed and has a built-in cabinet beneath the windows for books and storage. This room can still fit a large wardrobe and study table. The master suite is massive and with windows all throughout, allowing natural light to flow in. The entire length across is 6.9 meters. This area is elevated as a platform in the same solid timber parquet as the entertainment room, which really adds that cozy rustic feel. You can have 2 queen-size futon mattresses here. You can have a large wardrobe placed here with ample space for dresser and more. This is the largest master room we have seen thus far. Again, so many possibilities on how you can design this space. Location-wise, we are just a 3-minute bus ride away from Tampines East MRT station on the downtown line. The future Pasir East MRT line that is underway will be 500 meters from here. For food and shopping, you have Loyang Point and N4 Neighbourhood Centre, both of which are just nearby. There is a 24-hour supermarket and 24-hour eateries there. You can even head down to Jewel Changi Airport for all your retail therapy needs. We have a range of schools close by like White Sands Primary School, Pasir Ris Primary School and Dunman Secondary School. Thank Thanks for watching our home tour of this spacious and charming unit here at 149 Pasir Street 13. If you are interested in this one, do contact me at 9648-8888 for an exclusive viewing. This is Sheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul. I'll see you at Pasir soon.